Now to our business update with Charles Pellegrin. After 11 days without any news, we now have a little bit more information, it seems, Charles, about the whereabouts of a missing Chinese banker.
That's right, Aaron. Bao Fan, the founder of investment bank China Renaissance, has apparently been cooperating in a government probe. The news coming over a week after the bank said in a filing that it was unable to get in touch with him. The news sent ripples through the Chinese tech sector, where Bao Fan was a prominent figure, often brokering some of the biggest deals since he founded the bank in 2005, and where many thought it was starting to see the end of a sector-wide government crackdown. When China Renaissance's filing in Hong Kong on Sunday is very succinct, only saying that the board has become aware that Mr. Bao is currently cooperating in an investigation being carried out by certain authorities in the People's Republic of China. The news has led to a slight rebound in China Renaissance shares during the day, up only around 2%, but not making up for the losses, as you can see there, seen since the initial statement saying he was missing, which was issued on February 16th. That's that big drop. The stock still down more than 26% compared to before that date. And let's we'll move on now to the next item in our bulletin with the biggest names in the telecom industry that are gathering in Barcelona this Monday for their most important annual get-together, showing off their newest innovations. The event is back to full capacity for the first time since 2019. But this year, the shadow of a severe slump across the technology sector is looming. Leo McGuinn takes a look.
New phones, smartwatches, and even new logos. After 3 years of COVID-affected events, the Mobile World Congress is back to full strength in 2023. Kicking off on Monday, 80,000 delegates are expected to descend on Barcelona for the 4-day event, where some of the world's biggest mobile phone manufacturers will gather to show off their new products and ideas. Nokia and Samsung are just two of the big names present, and for the former, the news that some of their phones will be made in Europe, with HMD, the Finnish company who manufacture Nokia's phones, announcing the plans.
Bringing production into Europe we don't see as a cost reduction at all, but we see that there is a willingness to really invest in manufacturing and in products made in Europe.
Forward-looking ideas like the metaverse and AI will be major features of this year's Congress, with some predicting that these concepts will soon be the new normal.
Our estimate is that after 2027, the network traffic will be dominated by extended reality.
Those present will be hoping that all this is enough to help them bounce back from a tough few years. Mobile sales slumped worldwide in 2022, down over 10% from the year previous, and down nearly 20% from just 5 years ago. That trend is not expected to halt anytime soon, with one research firm predicting that the sales of smartphones, tablets and computers will fall again by 4% in 2023.
Let's end by taking a look at how the Asian stock markets did this Monday after Wall Street recorded its worst week of the year on fears that interest rates will continue to rise following higher than expected U.S. inflation figures. The main marketplaces in Asia are also trading in negative territory. You can see the Kospi and Seoul leading the losses. And European indices are bucking that trend, though, at the open this Monday, though, with shares trading overall higher. The Paris CAC 40 up almost 1%, the same with the DAX in Frankfurt, and the FTSE in London up 2/3%, Aaron.
Charles Pellegrin with Business. Thank you very much.